Hi, Robert with stormdamage.com, home of the independent insurance restoration contractors, where you should never, ever have to hire a storm damage attorney to get a good settlement on a property damage claim. Independent insurance restoration contractors and public insurance adjusters do an excellent job. In fact, when you call the attorney for help with your insurance claim, he hangs up the phone, picks up the other phone, and he calls the independent insurance restoration contractor and the public adjusters, and he farms the job out to us. So why don't you just call us direct and we'll come work for you. We're the first responders. Listen, nobody's perfect, and I promise you, your insurance company, they're not villains. They want your claims settled quickly and fairly, and they'll bend over backwards to work with us, But remember, it's free. The reason estimates are free is because they're not worth paying for, okay? So when you engage an independent insurance restoration contractor, one of two things. He's going to say, you know what? I provide these unbelievably, incredibly detailed Xactimate estimates for my clients. There's no charge for it. I do the work. We do all of the estimating professional, which takes days, to effect and come up with a good settlement. And they just can't do that for free. Now, not all of them, but I would say that the smart independent insurance restoration contractors think just like the insurance company does. Look, estimators are out there for hire now. The Xactimate, the insurance industry estimating standard, has been around for over 30 years. There's lots of retired guys out there that are happy when the independent insurance restoration, hey man, I got a claim here. We always take the first pass from the insurance company. We give it to your adjuster and independent eye. Here's the thing, man, these people are available. You need help. We can't fix everybody's house anyway, but we can sure help make sure that you get the right estimator in there and that you don't fall into harm's way with an unscrupulous attorney that may or may not have your best interest. Generally what we found and discovered over the years in some states is that the attorney's fees they're cost prohibitive, they're too expensive, and sometimes the homeowners wind up without enough money to get the repairs done. So, that being said, that there are excellent and great attorneys out there that do an incredible job, and quite frankly, there can be times and issues where you need an attorney. But the good thing is, an independent insurance restoration contractor and a public adjuster are much more knowledgeable than the average consumer regarding the process. And when you go to an attorney through a public adjuster and an independent insurance restoration contractor, you'll have a package with you. When you go without, you never had a professional insurance restoration contractors dealing with you, you're going into the attorney, blindsided, and it's going to be a lot more expensive either way. So, we're all just here to help. It's unfortunate when anybody's property gets damaged, but it's even more devastating when the financial harm can be worse than what everything else was, just because of not taking the time to think it through and make sure that you get the right people to help.